Hey guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing wonderful. This is your boy David back with you guys in another video. And today I am going to provide more information for you guys, especially for those of you who are new to this, who are just starting out with your e-commerce store and who are looking for tips and guide on how to find good products and how to do proper research and find good converting products, and so you can implement, put them on your store so you can start making a lot of sales, because this is what we all are after at this moment, right? So I'm going to share with you guys that I use to spy on my competitors or to find their best selling products and put them on my store, instead of me have to start from scratch to go in and search for products all over again. And instead of doing that, I just find products that already converting, or my competitors already do research, and just put them on my store and start running ads towards them and start promoting those products that gonna bring traffic, and when those traffic convert, and I'm going to be actually making sale in my store. So this is still the system that I'm in right now. As you guys can see, Camera Inspector. It is a very cool tool. It will cut your research in almost 95%, because all the hot selling product will be right at your fingertips. So how do you use this tool? This system will actually show you the top shop this month, and it will also tell you how much money they actually made in revenue and how much traffic they actually sent to their site to make those sales. For an example, right? Let's say you are in some specific niche. What you would have to do is subscribe to those stores, right? To get updates on what they are doing, right? So for an example, let me show you few stores that I subscribe to. As you guys can see, this one example, Lead for Man. If you guys don't know, you guys can see those guys are making a lot of money. As you guys can see, last week alone, that they actually made $700,000. As you guys can see, the 10% they are going up, so that means they are doing better weeks after weeks. As you guys can see, this is their hot selling product right now, right? If let's say you have like a clothing store, and what you can do is go on AliExpress, right? I'm sure that's where they got these, because I have found this one myself, and place it right on the store. All of these, right? And they already, they are converting, because as you guys can see, this is how much money he actually made last week, and this is his top selling products. So what you guys can do is just implement the same thing strategy, put them in your store and start promoting them, because you already know they're selling, because people are buying it. This is proof right here, and among other products that he's selling, right? Let me show you another example. As you guys can see, this person are actually doing great also. Revenue last week almost 2 million. As you guys can see, this one here would be his hot selling product. If you're in this specific niche, or you have a general store, you can go and find all these products and place them in your store and start making sales, because they do all the hard lifting for you. Let's see another one that I subscribe to. This is a good one. I haven't subscribed to Juice Gadget, but they are doing pretty good, because I've been following them for a while myself. But let's show you another one. As you guys can see, this Dude Gadget, that's another one, similar name, right? This one here is making $350,000 last week. As you guys can see, his percentages are going more than half this week. So as you guys can see, once again, this is his hard selling product. If you have like a general store, you can implement and just place these, find these product on AliExpress or Etsy or take that code and you could place them right on your store and start making sales instead of you have to go and do your research from scratch. So this tool is very crucial for your success, and it will help you cut the time that you spend on research. It's about 95%. So it's best to work smart than to work hard. Let's say, for an example, you want to see the most viewed. All you have to do is click right here. My internet is actually a little slow, but I hope it allows us to get to where we want to get. Okay, as you guys can see, for an example, as I was telling you guys earlier, most viewed shops. That means all the shops in e-commerce store, it will rank the ones which have the most traffic, the most viewed, and place them at the top, right? As you guys can see, Dude Gadget, as I told you, I was been following, are doing pretty good. As you guys can see, Sugar and Cotton, I'm sure that's a clothing store, right? They have the failing numbers too. You can go and if you click right there, it'll actually take you to their site. Since my internet is kind of slow, I'm not gonna click it for the sake of time. You guys can go just to research yourself, go and take a look and see what they're doing and just implement it. Work smart, not hard. As you guys can see, these here are the most viewed this week, right? And all you guys have to do is find a product that, and especially in your niche, and just model after them. It's an easy way to gain your success. And for, let's say, an example, you want to find out apps. Right? I think I would actually do another video to show you guys exactly the same apps that I actually have like on my store and how you guys can use these apps to boost your conversion rates. Alright. So as you guys can see all the hot apps they are using, and you can just this system gives you everything that you need for your success, right? You can use them on your store, right? You can use them on your store to start having success rapidly. Alright? You guys can just go around and play around this tool and find what you guys need. But what I'm actually doing now is just run you guys through it. I think the cost for this, like, it depends. They have a plan, but the lowest plan they'll actually give you like three days to test it out. Give it 3 days to test it out. If you don't like it, you cancel. I'm sure that you will not cancel because you do need those information for your success, right? As you guys can see, these are actually free teams, right, which you can actually use. But you can find other team if you want, like these here. As you guys can see, this team right here is like almost $100, right? And it had like 3,000 plus shops are actually using it. So you can find the hot team they are using. Remember, copy model after them because they already done all the hard lifting for you. So this is what I actually want to show you guys in this video. And if you guys would like to keep up with my content, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. So whenever I post a video, you guys will be notified and you guys will see it right away. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to comment in the section below, and I'll try my best to answer each and every one of them, right? So what I'm gonna actually do for you guys, I'm gonna place a link of this system, what I'm using right now, in the description. Go ahead, test it out, see what it's all about, see how it will help you improve your store and help you cut your research and almost 95%. So this is your boy David signing out, and I hope to see you on another one. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any misunderstanding or if something that you wasn't resonate with. Let me know. I will be more than happy to help you guys out. So peace out for now, and take